Hello friends. Today I'll be speaking about the anatomy of the ear. This video is basically for the 12th standard people who are very new to the biology world. Those are going to appear for the NEET or the first year MBBS people, as well as third year MBBS people for their basics of ENT. Today I'll be speaking about the anatomy, mostly of the external ear. So, right from the basics, ear has got three parts: the external ear, middle ear, as well as the inner ear. Three of them have different functions. So, uh, there is a very vital structure present in your ears. Do you know that? Yes, it is the Eustachian tube. Eustachian tube. So the Eustachian tube connects your pharynx to the atmosphere via your ear. So pharynx, as you know, is a structure present in your somewhere in your throat, and it connects to the atmosphere. So via the ear. So this Eustachian tube has got a function of equalizing air pressures on both sides of tympanic membrane. So there is a structure known as tympanic membrane, which I'll be discussing in the subsequent videos. So today I'll be speaking about mainly about the Eustachian tube. So this is the Eustachian tube. This entire thing. This is the middle ear. So Eustachian tube, this will be gross, but it resembles the shape of a trumpet kind of a thing. You know the trumpet, so it resembles that kind of thing. So here we have the pharyngeal opening. Pharyngeal opening. Okay, so I'll erase out the function and I'll be focusing on the anatomy. So here is the pharyngeal opening, here is the middle ear. So this becomes your external ear, this one. Okay, so this is the tympanic end. This is the isthmus. So mind you, isthmus in anatomy is any connection, or it is usually the narrowest part. So you have got isthmus in various areas of your body. So this one is in the Eustachian tube. The other isthmus you have got in cervix and many other areas. So this is the isthmus. It is basically the narrowest point. So the Eustachian tube, it has got two parts. The external part is cartilaginous and the inner part is bony. So this external part, the bigger one, is cartilaginous and this one is bony. So the cartilaginous part, it occupies 2/3 of the area and bony part occupies 1/3 of the area, which is seen in this picture. So what exactly are the dimensions? So you have to be very clear with the dimensions. The cartilaginous part is 2.4 centimeters. Cartilaginous part is 2.4 centimeters and 2/3, 1/3. So this is 2.4. So this has to be 1.2 centimeters, making the total length of 3.6 centimeters or 36 mm. Okay. Now, the direction. Can you appreciate the direction of this Eustachian tube? Yes, it is DFM. That is, it is downwards, forwards, and directed medially. So, for those of you in the first MBBS, whenever you are using a stethoscope for the first time, the teacher tells you how to hold it. So, the direction of the ear cuffs, it has to be downwards, forwards, and medially, because it gets aligned with the natural direction of your eustachian tube, making your hearing better. So this means yes. And the muscles. So the muscles that are acting on the eustachian tube, these are two: TVP and LVP. So this is tensor veli palatini and levator veli palatini. So these two act on the eustachian tube, because eustachian tube has got a function that is not presented as so it has a function of equalizing the air pressure. So you need something that acts on the eustachian tube to change its dimensions and everything. So that's why we have these two muscles. So this will be it. This is about the eustachian tube primarily I was talking about today. And the next video will be upon middle ear and its anatomy. The middle ear anatomy is very important as far as the MEHS exams are concerned, or anyways, nothing is vague in our syllabus. So this is it. This is a very simplified way of explaining. I couldn't simplify it any further. So yeah, this is it. Thanks for listening. I'll try to put some more videos on some difficult topics like neuroanatomy and stuff. But till then, this is it. Thank you so much.